So there's two ways of resetting this. The first one is turn on the power 2 times. Push the audio button to say AAA. Turn off the power. Hold down the trip button or the audio button and turn on the power 2 times. And you should see it blinking. And the other way is to say if the power's off, right? What we do is turn on the power. Just turn it 2 times. You can use these. So right now I said push back. So you're gonna go back and move to the right. And you want to go to setting, push enter. You want to go down. Maintenance reset, enter. Up for yes, enter. And that's it. And now you want to go back to the old screen, just go back, and push this to go whatever you want. And that's it.